So definition of smartphone. So smartphones are defined to be the enhanced mobile phone that perform functionalities other than the typical phone, other than the conventional calling. Whatever other things we are going to do comes under smartphone. The enhanced feature can be anything from email to internet to a full keyboard. The definition of smarts keep changing as more and more new functions are introduced into the mobile phone. The first smartphone was introduced in 1993, though few people had one at a time. IBM developed the first smartphone known as Simon, and it was $900, which was a very costly at that point of time. It had a combination phone, pager, calculator, address book, calendar, fax machine, and other wireless email devices. It weighed 20 ounces. Okay. And operating system for smartphones, you have so many OSs, Symbian OS, Windows Mobile, you have RIM, BlackBerry, you have iPhone OS, Linux, and you have Palm OS. So smartphone design, these devices will be interfaced with your smartphone. You have an LCD touchscreen. You have a telephony side which will take care of forwarding and receiving calls. External devices, keyboard, handset, keypad, power management, and memory. So different smartphones have been made from different companies: iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, Sony Ericsson, Nokia, and Samsung. So iPhone in 2007, Apple introduced its iPhone. It was initially priced at $499. So iPhone 4S was announced in October 4, 2011 with a dual core A5 processor, 8 megapixel camera, and it was had a Siri automated voice assistant. So Android was the common operating system present nowadays. It was launched in 2008. Android is an open source system. It is backed by Google along with major hardware and software developers that form the Open Handset Alliance. The statistics smartphone customer satisfaction index, iPhone had the highest satisfaction of 83, while others had 66. So the satisfaction on using the iPhone and its features. Advantage keeps you organized, easier and faster communication. Okay, unlimited access. So unlimited access it provides. Then unlimited internet services, portable. It is, you can carry it, you can get information at your fingertips. Many rely on smartphones for everything. It makes people very lazy. So just like internet banking, most people have become antisocial because they are usually social networking. The effects of smartphone, the workplace effect of smartphone has been a positive one, as employees have 24/7 access to their clients, and they can do their tasks very easily. That is the one positive thing. And statistics of productivity: 70% of employees with smartphone regularly check their emails outside business hours. 42% employees log on to their email accounts while home on sick leave, and 43% connect to email from their smartphone to get ahead and ease their workload for the following business day. So that is the statistic of productivity. So smartphones are keeping people productive in a positive sense. Effect of smartphones in education: having a smartphone means students can have permanent access to textbooks, e-books. Students, teachers, and parents can have access to student marks without going to school. Nowadays, we have this Google Classroom, right? It's very effective means assignment. Everything is given, and you are uploading your text, and I am evaluating, and everything happens without any disruption, right? The online courses, the guarantee of 100% attendance rate. So there are no limits to the effects. So whatever we have seen is going to be the sum